Good morning from MasterTrust, and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 12th of August 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 0.45%, settling the day at 43,975.89, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 21,385.40, decreasing 0.30%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 42,706 and Hang Seng is trading at 24,824. Gift Nifty is currently trading at 24,570, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 1,202.65 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 5,972.36 crore in the last trading session. India diversifies trade strategy as US drives hard bargain. Nirmala Sitharaman introduces taxation laws amendment bill in Lok Sabha. Now talking about global aspects, Trump extends tariff deadline for China by another 90 days. Oil settles flat ahead of US-Russia talks. WTI rose 0.13% to $63.96 a barrel, and Brent rose 0.6% to $66.63 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.35. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.05%, down. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices rebounded from a 3-month low, supported by broad-based buying ahead of July inflation data due Tuesday. Analysts expect inflation to ease to 1.76%, an 8-year low, falling below the RBI's 2 to 6% target band for the first time in over 6 years. The sharp decline fuels expectations of rate cuts at the next RBI policy meet. However, gains remained capped due to uncertainty over potential US tariffs on Indian imports. Outlook for today: Nifty rebounded from a 3-month low, supported by broad-based buying and closed above 100-day EMA. The index is trading below its 21-day and 55-day EMA near 24,800, which will act as immediate resistance. On the downside, key support lies at 24,500. A decisive break below this level may trigger further downside toward 24,300. Given the negative outlook, positional traders are advised to adopt a sell-on-rise strategy until the index shows signs of recovery. Bank Nifty ended positive, recovering sharply from its previous week lows. However, it is still trading below its 21-day and 55-day EMAs, and the structure also remains weak as the index is forming lower lows, lower highs, trading below the 56,000 level. The 55,000 level now serves as crucial support. Breaching below this may invite further selling towards 54,500. On the upside, immediate resistance is at 55,700, with a breakout potentially driving the index toward 56,000 and 56,200. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, PB Fintech, MCX, VBL, Tata Motors, Eternal. Bearish view, Amber, Voltas, HDFC AMC, Kalyang Jewelers, Coforge. Trade of the day is bullish on JSW Energy, buy at 535, stop loss 521. Target 550. Rationale: bullish reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.